Hey food lovers, if you're new to this channel, I know what you're thinking. Why is my channel called I Make Ugly Pancakes? What a weird name, right? Well, even though I've been helping out my mom in the kitchen since I was really little, I didn't start cooking for myself on a regular basis until I was a sophomore in college. And you guessed it, the first thing I started making were these really hideously ugly pancakes, but they tasted amazing. I always thought Ugly Pancakes was just the funniest name ever, and I've been using it as my tag for over 18 years now. So after working on improving my technique and presentation skills, something amazing started to happen. I started getting some really cool recognition. I won Epic Mealtime's Holiday Bacon Contest for my jalapeno sausage cornbread stuffed turkey wrapped in woven bacon. I was hired to do food presentations at Williams-Sonoma, and my friends and family have been encouraging me to start a YouTube channel for pretty much over a decade. Sorry, Mom. So I'm finally doing it. Even though I'm working out of the smallest kitchen I've ever had, at least I have a decent-sized pantry. I'm a big believer that a small space and limited ingredients is no excuse for lack of invention, and I'm so excited to share these recipes with you. So please like and subscribe for more recipes and kitchen content. Say hi to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.